sir, today we can like create like a little group, sir. So for the homework which we have, sir, today, for the people which have to leave early, sir, you can just send it there.
All right, sure. So this is everybody gonna leave now? Cause what I'll do, I'll just send the homework there.
No, sir.
All right,
I
sure.
have to leave now.
All right. So for those who have to leave, I'll send the homework to you. But otherwise, we'll keep going. All right. See you tomorrow.
Sir, do you have the microphone on?
Yeah, I have it on. I have it on.
Okay.
All right. So let's do the next question. It says, Tom bought his cell phone at a discounted price of $2,000. Right? We're not gonna look at the answer yet. We're gonna work this out together. Tom bought his cell phone at a discounted price. This is not the original price. So that means, would the original price be more or would it be less than $2,000? Annalise. Would the original price be more or less than this price right here?
I can't really see the question properly.
Alright, let me zoom out. So it says Tom bought his cell phone at a discounted price of $2,000. If the discount was 10%, what was the original or marked price? And I'm saying, we know that there's a relationship between discount price and marked price. Is the discount price more or less than the marked price?
It's less.
Right. So that means whatever answer I get for this, it must be more than $2,000. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. So we're going to use the formula. Let's write down the formula. Discounted price is equal to marked price minus the discount percentage. So in this case, we're going to say 2,000 is equal to the unknown minus 10% of that unknown. 1 second. Alright, let's continue. So I showed you a method that if I don't know what the discount percentage of the marked price will be, all I need to do is put the discount percent, which is 10%, right, and subtract that from 100%. What is 100% minus 10%? George.
Sir, so that would be 10%. No, not 10. Sir, so 100% minus 10%. That would be 90%, if I'm correct.
Right. So we can use the alternative method, which is therefore, if I don't know the value, I can just subtract it from 100% and then just find 90% of that value. All right. So now we're gonna say 0.9% of the marked price, or 90%. All right. And now I'm gonna take that 90% and I'm gonna divide the 2,000. So the rule is marked price. Let's write that. Marked price is equal to discount price divided by remaining percent. So whichever amount of the price I'm gonna pay, that's what we call the remaining percent. So if I'm getting 10% discount, that means my remaining percent is 90%. Alright? Let's look at the question now. So we're gonna say 2,000 divided by 90%, or you could say 2,000 multiplied by 90 divided by 100, or you could say 2,000 divided by 0.9. They're all the same thing. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. So what I want you to do, for ease of calculation, instead of putting 90%, I want you to convert this remaining percent to a decimal every time. So for example, you know your remaining percent is going to be 90%. Just calculate the decimal of 90%, which is just going to be 0.9. It makes your life a whole lot easier when you're calculating. Alright? Okay. So therefore, we know the marked price is going to be equal to $2,222.22. And let's prove it. The marked price needs to be more than the discount price. And isn't the marked price more than the discount price, George?
Yes, sir.
Alright, good. That means we were correct. So in other words, 10% is equal to $222.22. That's what 10% looks like. So when they say 10% off, in this case, if the thing costs $2,000, you're really getting $222 off. Alright, good. Alright, so the homework questions that we're going to give you now, I want you to quickly write them off. A shopkeeper sells envelopes at $2 each. A shopkeeper, so write this off for me. He offers a discount of 5% on each envelope. Calculate the discounted cost of 45 envelopes. That's question 1. Question 2.
Sir, I'm not done, sir.
Alright, let me go back up.
So I'm actually typing it in the WhatsApp group.
Oh, smart. So the others could see it, right?
He offered a discount.
Finish? Next
No,
question.
sir.
Alright, hold on.
Alright. Okay, so I sent the first part if you see it already.
Okay, good. Next question now. A boy buys a book at a discounted price of $80. If the discount given is 8%, what is the market price?
I think that we already get it. No, we didn't got this. We didn't get this.
Alright, finish that question. Let me go to the next one. And finally, I want you to work out the store owner gives a 5% discount on all his bicycles. For a bicycle priced at $240 without discount, he decides to give an additional discount of 3%. What is the final price of the bicycle? So here's the deal. These 3 questions that I'm going to give you are CSEC styled questions, which means that they're very hard. So I don't expect you to get it perfectly. Alright, I just want to see how well you grasp the topic and also introduce you to that type of question. Because it would be unfair for some of you guys to be doing CSEC next year, because I know you guys would want to do it next year if possible, and then next year is the first time you're seeing CSEC questions. It's better I start from now, but introduce it at a ground level. Hence why I'm doing this. So that's, if you have any questions, it's completely fine for you to ask me because you are moving ahead of schedule.
Yes, sir. Sir, do you mind zooming out so I could just take a screenshot?
Sure, sure.
Done that simply. Okay.
Good.
Alright, just send it for the second one we actually started.
Oh, we actually did it already? Alright, that means that it's actually question 2. Right, it was question 2, my bad. So a barber offers his customers a discount. This was the one I wanted to give you. How much does a trim priced at $15 cost? So that was the one that was to be switched, my bad.
So let me take a screenshot of question 2 because it's lagging. Let me push this.
Alright, so thank you guys for always being attentive and coming to classes even when it's marathon. I really do appreciate it. So this is the opportunity for you to ask me any question that you have. Alright, is there any topic that we went through from January that you still are not sure of, that you want me to go through again? Let's go back over the topics that we did. So remember that we started consumer arithmetic in February, but before that we were looking on number theory, which is sets. Alright, so let's go through the topics of sets before we leave today, and tell me if there's any topic you're not sure of. Alright, let's go through it. So when we did sets, we went through defining sets, intersection. Alright, can you hear me now? Alright, let me clap, it should work. Alright, can you hear me now? Alright, can you guys hear me now? Right, so I'm saying what we're gonna be doing . Alright. Apology about that. Can you hear me again? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me? George, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so what I'm saying now, next class, we're gonna go back on set theory because we're really finished with what we need to know in discount. We're gonna practice now and go back over sets by solving problems in number theory, algebra.
Oh yeah, this is the one which I don't understand.
Right, so we're gonna go through this. Alright, that's gonna be revision for next class. Alright, so let's finish up the discount homework and then now prepare for next class for us to go back and revise sets. Okay, everybody? So write down the topic for me.
Sure.
The topic is using set theory to solve problems in number theory, algebra, and geometry. That's what we're going to be looking at next class.
Okay, sir.
Alright, so have a great rest of the evening, everybody. If you have any questions, you can message me in either math groups, right? And I'll respond to you as early as possible. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.